Imagine that there are different levels of civilizations in the universe, classified by the type of energy they can use. This classification was proposed by a scientist called Nikolai Kardashev, who devised a Kardashev scale. Type 1 civilizations. They are able to use all the energy available on their own planet. We're not there yet, but we're on the way. Type 2 civilizations. They are able to use all the energy from their star, such as the sun. One way of doing this would be to build a gigantic structure, called a Dyson sphere, around the star to capture its energy. Type 3 civilizations. They use energy from their entire galaxy. This is far beyond what we can currently imagine, and would include things like building Dyson spheres around every star in the galaxy, or even using the energy of black holes. Imagine having the chance to see the most advanced civilization in the universe. What would that be like? Perhaps they have technologies that we can't even imagine, such as machines capable of capturing the energy of entire stars or faster-than-light travel, completely dominating space and time. But as humans, we only know our own way of life, which limits our imagination about other civilizations. Life on Earth evolved from a common ancestor, and for a long time this life developed in water, which even influenced our vision. This makes us wonder, if life elsewhere followed a completely different path, what would it be like? We may not know all the details of what these advanced beings are like, but we can get a general idea by looking at our own civilization. For example, if we showed aliens things like the International Space Station or the Great Wall of China, they would have an overview of what we are capable of. But here comes the complication. Would the laws of physics in other universes be the same? And how could a civilization go beyond the limits of our observable universe to use energy from elsewhere? Currently, we are at the very beginning of this scale, dreaming of reaching the first step where we will use all the energy available on Earth. This would include everything from solar to nuclear energy. But more advanced civilizations, such as Type 2 or 3 on the Kardashev scale, could use the energy of an entire star or even entire galaxies. These advanced civilizations might build megastructures around stars to capture their energy or even use the energy of black holes. This sounds like science fiction, but it helps us think big about the possibilities of the universe. Now, if there were such advanced civilizations in our galaxy, perhaps we could detect signs of them, such as excessive use of energy. So far, we haven't found such signs, but the search for these civilizations makes us expand our understanding of what is possible. At the same time, we are still trying to understand and master technologies that could take us to the next level, such as nuclear fusion. But we face challenges, such as the environmental impact of our energy use and limited resources. Let's pause for a moment and dive into an imaginary journey down the Kardashev scale, where we will explore the concept of a civilization that, instead of dominating entire galaxies, concentrates its energy in a single solar system. Imagine an advanced civilization, but in a more humble way, which captures and uses all the energy radiated by its star. Most of a solar system's energy comes from its central star, the Sun. Such a civilization could encompass this primordial source through a stellar innovation, the Dyson sphere, a theoretical megastructure that surrounds the star, absorbing practically all of its energy and distributing it throughout the system to feed an advanced society and its countless demands. Furthermore, imagine the existence of Matryoshka brains, stellar-scale computers that use this energy to operate. These would not only be super machines processing data at unimaginable speeds, but could also be the cradle of entire civilizations, creating perfect simulated realities where millions of years could pass in the blink of an eye. The possibility that we are living inside one of these simulations is a thought that challenges our perception of reality. As we observe the cosmos, we pick up various signals that, for a moment, make us believe in the existence of Type 2 civilizations. We observed stars whose brightness fluctuates with a precision that suggested the presence of Dyson spheres. However, these anomalies often find more mundane explanations, such as the discovery of pulsars, or the simple fact that they are lost Earth satellites or cosmic dust. These discoveries, although initially disappointing, broaden our understanding of the universe and keep the flame of curiosity burning. Here on Earth, we are still in the infancy of our energy evolution, struggling to master technologies such as nuclear fusion that could launch us to the next level of the Kardashev scale. Nuclear fusion, the process that powers the stars, could offer an almost inexhaustible source of energy if we could replicate it in a controlled way here on Earth. The sea, teeming with hydrogen, could be the key to unlocking this clean and powerful energy source. However, our efforts to move forward face significant obstacles, from the environmental impacts of our current energy sources to the physical and resource limits of our planet. These challenges make us question not only our ability to advance to Type 1 on the Kardashev scale, but also the impact such an advance would have on the world around us. The waste generated by our energy consumption and the growing demand for space and resources could, without innovative solutions, lead us to an evolutionary dead end. Have advanced civilizations throughout the universe faced similar challenges and, unable to overcome them, met their end before they even reached their full potential? Or could it be that, equipped with sufficient knowledge and technology, they found ways to overcome these obstacles, paving the way for a future we can barely imagine? As we delve into these questions, we are reminded that the greatness of a civilization is not only measured by its energy power, but by its ability to face and overcome the challenges in its path. Our journey on the Kardashev scale is as much about exploring the cosmos as it is about understanding ourselves and how we can live sustainably and harmoniously with the universe around us. So while we look to the stars and dream of what could be, we must also look inwards, to the heart of our civilization, and ask, what will we do with the power we have now? How will we shape the future, not just for us, but for all the life forms with which we share this planet, and who knows, beyond? Thank you for embarking on this journey of reflection and discovery. Until next time, when we will explore together the mysteries of the universe and the limitless potential of humanity.